Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
Yo, what's up?
We're back. We're back.
For the 4th round.
Yes, but we're doing something a little different. Okay, so we was in the Scotch world, but now we're not in Scotch, okay? So now we are gonna do those dirty name shots.
Like last year, this time hopefully I don't have to drink sperm.
Yeah. Okay. That drink, admittedly, maybe
it was looking a little milky.
It was a little sketch. What we are going to start off with is, okay, I am ashamed to say this, but back in the day in college, this was a go-to. I'm so sorry.
I went to community college, so I can't relate. Go ahead.
I went to a predominantly white university, and they were really good for these, like bad name, dirty name drinks. And this particular one came up quite frequently, and it is called the Red Headed Slut.
Oh my. That is very dead on.
Yeah. So, so there was that.
We chat.
So let's run through the ingredients and then we'll get started.
I'm back.
Okay, so you guys know I hate Jaeger.
Oh, that fits very fitting to
However, with this combination, it seems to be palatable because I seem to remember drinking quite a few of these back in the day. All right, so Jagermeister, okay, cranberry juice, and peach schnapps. Those are the three ingredients you need. And then you need your shaker with ice.
Okay.
Okay, so, yeah. And so let's just go ahead and get started because, so I bought this bottle of Jagermeister last year.
Was it last year or the year before?
Might have been the year before.
It was the year before.
It's very full. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Okay.
We're working it down. Give us
working.
another 5 years. It should be gone.
Yeah. Here we go. So 1 ounce of our Jagermeister. Yuck.
You saying yuck, but the last time we used it, it was actually pretty good.
So again, because it was about the drink that we made.
How much was this?
1 ounce.
Okay.
And so it wasn't bad, right? Like the drink we made was actually pretty good. Jagermeister by itself is absolutely appalling. So by the way, same measurements for everything. 1 ounce of cranberry juice.
Let me do this then. 1 ounce. I used to, back in the day, I didn't know what I knew now, but I used to tell bartenders, and they probably was looking at me like sideways. I'd be like, give me something with peach schnapps in it. And they'd be looking at me like, sis, what?
And that's how they knew that you didn't know how to drink.
Like now I understand that when, sometimes you can depict somebody's age without even carding them, because maybe
100%.
I was telling on myself and I didn't even know it.
I mean, listen, I don't even know what I used to tell bartenders, like, I don't know, make it sweet or something. And now if it's a sweet drink, ew.
Like my shaker, I call her Sexy Red. Bow, 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 bow.
She cute. That's what I'm gonna tell you. She is cute.
You spilled yet?
Not yet. I guess. Oh no. Why do I have reinforcements? There's more.
Color-wise, she's definitely not a redhead. She's more like a bronze.
She's a little bit orange. But
ginger? No, not ginger.
No, she's a little orange.
She dyed her hair. That's what. He caught her up on
the smell reminds me of bad decisions in undergrad. Okay. Well, we're taking this like a shot. Cheers.
Damn.
Damn, bitch. What happened? All right.
I was not ready. Oh, I got a wood chip.
Oh my God, why do I literally have, oh no.
All right. I did not expect the shot to be more than a shot.
Well, I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna do my due diligence and go ahead and take this. Oh. So many bad decisions.
You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's a gone. I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Home, sweet home.
Ooh.
All right.
Oh my God.
I don't know who's first. You want me to start?
Oh, no, go ahead.
All right. So with
she
this
almost
one,
died.
Yeah, I almost died of drowning. So it's definitely not bad than what I thought, because you instantly, my mind goes straight to the gutter / in the sewer hole, all of that good stuff. When it comes to Jagermeister, but this was actually pleasant. I almost drowned.
You did.
Like a fat kid off of a diving board. Yeah, because it wasn't a seesaw. I almost died. I almost drowned.
Oh my God.
But it was not bad. So with that being said, like I said, it was pleasant than what I expected. So with that being said, the rating, will I can take a shot of this. I don't believe this shot glass is a true shot glass.
No, this is a double.
Okay, this is a double. This is why.
So I just took.
If it was a shot glass, I would be able to take it with no problem.
Oh my God, why is there more?
Wow. I will give this a 6. I don't like Jagermeister. I don't really want Jagermeister in my system, but this was quite pleasant to take a shot of compared to like straight Fireball or something like that. Yeah. So, you know, if I had worse. And for that, a 7 will stick with me for this. So Red Headed Slut / Blonde Headed Girl, whatever you like to call her at this point, I don't know. Yeah, a 7.
Okay. Okay, so I'm not far off. I'm gonna give it a 7.5. It's literally tastes the same from when I drank this in undergrad, which is not saying a whole lot. I'm concerned that I used to get drunk off of this, though.
I'm concerned for you. I didn't have the pleasure of this. I had Jaeger bombs, and that was bad.
Jaeger bombs are also repulsive.
Yeah.
We did an Irish car bomb one episode. We have not done a Jaeger bomb.
I don't like that.
I'm not saying we'll do it, but I'm thinking like maybe one day when we're just like, hey, what's the worst thing we've had? You know, that series.
Yeah.
But listen, okay, so as a shot goes, it's pretty smooth. Yes, you taste the Jaeger, but it is not in an offensive way. I do think that the Jaeger actually ends up taking a back seat to the peach schnapps and the cranberry juice.
Facts.
I think probably when you order this at the bar, they probably put a little bit more cranberry juice to make it more of a red-headed slut. I did follow the actual ingredients here, which was equal parts between the 3 ingredients. But you probably, in order to make it truly red, need it to be a little bit more cranberry juice.
Maybe 1.5 or something. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. Here, though, listen. If you are looking to reminisce from college, this is the one. And I would say college from the 2000s, because I don't know what kids are doing now. Do we know what they're doing now?
They're all about moods.
I don't actually know what college kids are drinking right now.
Are they drinking at this point?
Yeah, I think that they are, amongst
they're doing
other
some hallucination things. I don't know.
Maybe they're more beer focused. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know. Zenful stuff, I guess.
However, what I will say is,
I'm getting too old for this.
Yeah. As far as it goes, this is not the most offensive drink that I've had, or shot. It is tolerable. I wouldn't really want to spend my whole night drinking this, though.
No.
I'll say that. But, you know, one shot. Okay, sure.
And on somebody else's dime, yeah.
Yeah, like me not paying for it. Yeah, for sure. What are your college go-to shots?
I don't even want to know at this point because I'm too old for this.
I know. I was gonna say, like, when I actually think of the amount of liquor I consumed as an undergraduate, it's amazing I'm still here, folks. You would think that like beer would be the prominent focus, and beer was prominent because, again, I went to University of Washington, so yes, lots of the Caucasians, okay, and so with Caucasians, a lot of beer, but a lot of shots. Like
sounds like a lot of hangovers and nights.
Believe it or not,
into morning sleep.
I didn't have a whole lot of hangovers. There were some where they were absolutely atrocious.
Couldn't be me.
But not a lot. I don't know how it happened. So anyways, so this was our first venture for our dirty name shots. Okay, Red Headed Slut. She was not exactly red. She was a little orange.
I don't know, but I know what race she was.
Hey friends, would you try this? Have you tried it? More like maybe that's the question that should be asked. Have you tried it? Because I don't really think that if you are in our age range, I know I'm at the back end of it, she's probably at the front end of it, but even in that age range, you probably don't drink this now, because why would you?
Jaeger is not the go-to for nothing. Nobody says, hey, give me that Jagermeister.
Just real quick, I just have questions for my Jagermeister fans. Why?
What was your reason?
I wasn't a fan. I drank whatever folks,
the popular
gave me
side of the folks,
for free.
There. All right. Well.
Because basically, okay, so freshman and sophomore year in particular, you didn't have a whole lot of money. So it's like, I'm going to frat parties and stuff like that, and it's what you can get for free.
That's so you took whatever you got.
Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you, yeah. That's a whole reason why I actually learned what a lot of different shots were, because it would be like dorm room like parties or things like that, and then you would go to a bar, so then you would actually know what to order, and it wasn't that expensive because, again, it's what a college student can afford.
I'm so glad that you're still here with us.
Woo! I mean, you know, bad decisions were made, but that's okay, we're still here.
The most bad decision I made was drinking vodka in the back seat of a vehicle, but
oh, that's it?
That's all I could think of right now.
Oh, so you may not remember. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right, friends. Well, listen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little dangly thing. We're going to be back for another
dirty drink.
That's not this. I don't know if it's going to be much more or better, though.
Oh, shit.
I've had it, though. I also had it in college. All right, friends. We'll be back. Let me just get this little